This looks like something you would only see in a movie.
John Wick or Fast and Furious.
It shocked me only because I never thought there would be a room full of cars that were getting worked on. Well, kinda, but not like this. I thought it'd be more the museum style, not just a workshop.
And I think they did do that. The museum style. It doesn't look like your average workshop. This looks more like a factory than anything. Especially for old cars from the old days.
Seriously, I am really happy that they left it how when they are done working.
Paused after working so that you can see such a nice work area when they are done, because I find this makes it look like a shop museum. Then if you leave it at the end of the day the same way, you would resume the very next day if you were to come back 10 years later or the next day. But it still has to look clean and it still has to look pretty nice, like you were to come back, whether you come back or not. Before we go back in, we got some old cars just before we go right back in the next bay, because there's a lot of cars, and the way they make them look stock, like they were right off the factory floor. Unlike, like, they're probably nicer back then the way they made these cars from RM Restorations compared to most factories today, because most factories today are not hand built, they're machine built more than ever. And a lot of the interior, I bet you, is the same way, which sucks, but is it nice? Yes and no. So it depends on the car, depends on the manufacturer. But a lot of these cars, like that previous car we were just looking at, was a Mopar. So it was made from Dodge at one point, but it looks like RM Restorations just did a lot of work to it. I think they also said they do Ferraris, they do Lamborghinis, they don't do McLaren. They said McLaren's newer, and I did not know that. So this is one of the workers that works throughout the week at RM Restorations. Wow, the workers?
Yeah. Yep.
That works here? Like,
yep.
During the week?
Yep.
Can I ask how new Ferraris and Lamborghinis you work on?
We don't work on the newer ones typically.
Mostly it's the classics?
60s, yeah, 50s, 60s, yep.
And McLarens too, or?
No, we don't get into McLaren too much. No, we usually send them back to the dealer, but they're newer cars too, right?
Oh, I didn't know they didn't used to be in the 60s.
No, McLaren, not too far back. So.
Is it okay if I have a video of you guys?
Video for the last one?
Yeah. I just wanted to make sure before I go filming.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, enjoy the...
because I post stuff online.
Yeah?
My YouTube channel's right here.
Okay, yeah, I'll check it out. Thanks.
It's mostly about cars now.
Yeah. These are free, right?
I live in St. Thomas, and my one of my work friends told me about this place.
Yeah? Good. Yeah, over there. Yeah. There's my last one this year. Watch for next custom engine build.
Most of these cars are not very rusty like you see at most car shows. The only reason you see some of them rusty is some of them weren't totally done, but most of them were pre-factory, because I hardly seen any that weren't factory, that were fully back together. But most of these cars, well, this is a Fast and Furious vehicle. Well, it looks like the one straight from that Paul Walker drove is a Ford Lightning. When they brought back the Ford Lightning, they really ruined it when they brought it back, because they brought it back full electric. The full electric's what really ruined it. And I've never seen a Mini Cooper this small in a while. The truck beside it could pretty much put this in the back, in the bed. And it pretty much would be a flatbed for this little car. This is the tiniest, also, little sunroof, which is nuts. I have a fun fact about Mini Cooper. It used to be a Mini Austin. At one point, I think Mini Cooper was the smallest car around in its time.
Hey, John. That's weird. You didn't say hi.
Maybe he doesn't recognize you. A lot of people don't recognize you.
Down on the yeah, down on that way. Yeah, I got the windows.
Hey, John.
Oh yeah, how you doing, buddy?
Very good. And yourself?
Oh, not too bad.
They're just over there.
Yeah, right on. Hey guys. Thought you'd come down to this one. The big
Yeah.
show.
I didn't know about it until someone from work told me.
Oh wow, right on.
How many years is this one going on? Do you know? Because I know they only do 3 years.
Yeah, they only do sometimes 4, but yeah, they only do a couple of years.
Oh, do you?
That's cool.
Somebody's got a 3
You taking pictures today too?
I am, sir. Yes.
You probably take stills, right? Where
Yeah.
I take video.
Yeah.
So I got
I'll see you in a bit if I see you again.
All right. Have fun.
You too.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. Your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear.
Come here, Mom. The Flintstones is here. Flintstones. What's so funny?
That car, I love it.
What, this?
Yeah.
Jeff, the Flintstones. And there's a BMW. Before you... I wonder what that is, though.
Maybe Jefferson.
Yeah. What is this little bubble car?
Yeah.
Jeff.
So funny. Yeah.
Is that real Flintstones, you think? Or a replica, a good replica. What, this one or that one? Which one's the rich for this one? Or the far one, yeah?
Pardon?
Which one's the rich for this or that?
What's the thing on the sign?
I can't read it from here because of my glass. I don't have glasses. Oh yeah, because it's convertible.
Pontiac sign.
Yeah.
We got Pontiac sign.
Yeah, I got a video of that too.
But that lights up beautiful.
I hope it does still.
Yeah, it would with that neon.
They don't blow out very easy.
Before everything goes electric, they brought back the new Toyota Supra in 2018 or 2019. And did they do a good job? Nah. Could have did a little harder because this is a BMW engine. Most of the parts are BMW. Do you like that? I don't think a lot of people loved it.
These look fast, these ones do.
That's not the one I see when driving, but there's another 300 or something. Yeah, it's a burgundy red.
Go ahead, you can pass me. Go ahead.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this guy was rolling.
This is a really nice and gold. I've never seen gold car. I think it's probably rare for us to be gold. For cars to be gold anymore.
Well, now it is booming. Yeah.
Cars in here look like fire trucks and stuff from Beverly Hillbillies. This car here, this dark red, and then the bright red, look like they're from two movies that I remember. Herbie, maybe. So this is a Ferrari, the gray, and I don't know what this blue car, navy blue, is much because, but I do know this green car. is a Rolls Royce. I'm pretty sure because it has whatever that emblem is on the front. And then there's an old fire truck. Old looking truck for maybe the fire department over there. Looks like an old fire truck. What you seen in the old days for fire trucks almost. Oh, that's an old Rolls. Oh my.
They probably
Sorry. But last night, my son John came over Friday.
I don't. That's one thing.